To add a pop-up to your website, you'll first need to have an account and a website set up. Once you've logged in, you can select the site you want to add the pop-up to from the list of all your sites, typically found in the top left corner. With the desired site selected, you can then search for a pop-up application in the search bar. The quickest way to do this is to type pop-up or tools, apps, help, and more in the search bar. Among the search results, you can choose a suitable app. Considering factors like cost, some apps are free, while others require a premium website. Upon selecting an app, you'll need to agree to add it to your site and wait for it to load. This process may involve choosing a plan that fits your needs, such as Basic, Pro, or Growth plans, which can be billed annually or monthly. Some plans offer significant discounts for annual subscriptions. After selecting your plan, you can design your pop-up, including elements like call to action buttons, positions, colors, and more. You'll also define a goal for your pop-up, such as showing a coupon code, collecting emails, or displaying an announcement screen. Once your pop-up is designed and your goals are set, you can add it to your website. This may involve a few more steps, including selecting the type of coupon you want to offer and customizing its appearance. Finally, to complete the setup, you might need to upgrade to a premium package, depending on the features you want. With a premium package, you can easily set up and manage your pop-ups, including coupon discounts and overview analytics. After completing the setup, your pop-up will be live on your website, ready to engage with your visitors.